Wife not the kitchen I cook just like this. So I cook soup with crayfish. When the fish jump out, oh my God, wife not give the fish a
the water it hot. The crayfish flick up. This is one more thing gonna say stick up. And the crayfish easy. And the crayfish jump on me neck and go squeezy. When the crayfish really bite me tongue, it's bad man. You have to say, yo, boom dog. You take that one decker, you love this at you dog.
There people.
You rasta here with them whole heap of pork.
No, you ain't no pork.
You know eat pork.
I'm not going with him. Chat too much.
What you say? Him blow.
No contact.
He still a contact. Same way.
You are not like it with you.
Yeah, guys. Big up the Boom family, guys. Alright, Jamaican Shore Fishing, big up yourself, guys. And we out here and we up in Trelawney Parish, guys. We here to meet up with Vibes, Jamaica Vibes Adventures. We're gonna pick him up real quick. Here in Jamaican Shore Fishing. Here, guys. Still part of the adventures. Look who's here. Jamaica Vibes.
Jamaica Vibes.
Yep, Chavelan.
I'm big on perch right there.
Holy smokes. Look at this, guys. Yeah, we just passing through and stopping by this river. See what's up, guys, and see what's going on here.
Yes, my peeps. And Jerry there, you know, but the water kind of dirty, guys. The water normally cleaner than this. Yeah, man, what if a big fish in there? See me, see one there, sir. And if you can see it, my peeps. See one there. Yes, my peeps. We and Jerry out here. Nice place, you know? Nice view. Yes, man.
If I pull the walk here and run it back, I will definitely pick something up here.
Right now, I wonder.
Because you know what's going to be here? Perch, cichlid, African cichlid, and other fish.
Is it cichlid, not cichlid?
All right. So don't worry. Don't worry. This is just a scope. This is just a scope. You know what I'm saying? We're scoping out something. Yeah. 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 That's what's up. Yeah, guys. So, me and Vibes out. We're just exploring now. We're heading towards Junior, but we just decided to stop and just check out this one spot. But stay tuned, guys. It's not a normal thing. We just a scout. Me and Chevelle and Vibe with the out here.
Out here, all the while.
You see people?
Jamaica short fishing. We are.
And Jamaica Vibes outside.
The first thing and the second and the third.
Yeah.
But you don't know the link.
So guys, go over to him channel and go so like, share and subscribe to the thing. See?
That is right.
You know what I go on. Outside.
That is right.
That is it.
Yeah, man.
And me I tell us the people, you what going on? You know long no I meet him. You know long no I see him. You know long no I see him. Hold on the people. Hold on them, man. Hold on them. More you see him, you know. More you see him first. More you see him first, people. More you see him first. Cause you know long more I see him face to face. Hold on there. See him there. See him there. That one, yeah, man. I him more see face to face, man. You know long more see face to face. I know him alone, you know. And this man, I him more see first, you know. Junior, me have a chemical for him today, you know. Me have something for Shark Man today, man.
What kind of chemical you have to be?
Because Shark Man talks. No, Shark Man talks swift like razor blade, you know. So you what go? You see with team razor blade talk now. Me have to counteract that like nuclear bomb, you know. Me say, yo peoples, here what go on. We there with Junior Lifestyle, D&G and Sharkman, Jamaica Vibes, and we there with Chevelle, same way peoples. I link up this nice surprise of me I tell them about, you know. So we there so, and the man them hard at work people, we just reaching our place. So stay tuned guys, exciting adventure coming up. Here, big up. I'll prepare some of my fresh hot wedding catch the other day. I don't know if you guys seen that. This is some of the fresh wild pig that we catch fish, chicken food, pumpkin and thing. So you don't know who this already people. Junior wife, yes. Big up, same way. We have Junior Lifestyle, yes, the people.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. Please go over to him channel, guys. Like, share, and subscribe to the thing. And please watch the ad, guys. That's what's up. I see famous shop.
Yeah, man. Original curry boss.
Yes, man.
See me a cut up my curry pumpkin.
Shop, man. One thing you say. Yes, guys. John is here. It's almost. Jamaica Adventures just land nice place, guys. Outside. Outside. Big up yourself. Junior get the wild hog ready. Still walking out of place, guys. Yeah, man. And Junior, this is guys. Junior lifestyle. Guys, jump over in channel. Please like, share, and subscribe to the thing, guys. And make sure you watch the ads. Yeah. You know, so world bosses, you know. Check out him farming channel too. Junior farming thing. You see me? Jump over on that channel too, guys. See?
Junior, why you teaching me trade? You see? Teaching me trade how to catch wild hog. You understand?
I don't mind. Because
You understand?
you say equal to
But Junior,
No, just teach him. Not tell him which part to go, you know. Not tell him which part on your turf he go, you know. Just teach him me trade.
but Junior, you know, see man if you run off with the whole
But you
pot.
know, see, but you see that you get, you just need a few share of food, you know. Not more over here, so you can't go home, you know.
You say?
No, you can't sit down because you carry home. You can't sit down and wait till everybody goes.
Everything alright. Everything alright. That is what they are doing.
The pot, but not what in the pot. But not what in the
That
pot.
man. We're going to set pork patrol, you know. Junior, we have to set pork security, you know.
So that means that they know
We can't make him get away with the pork, you know, brother. Anything else, not the pork.
No, but they don't want to get.
But you,
Them have to work out
but
that.
he can't left with the pork, you mad?
Well installed.
Yeah, he can't left with the pork today.
Not dark then Papa.
Yo, the pork.
That's what I mean.
But listen, no man. Then here we go. Oh
If
no.
they fair share already.
Who that? Who that? Mr. Boom.
Oh, who that? Boom. Boom.
Me never really hungry today.
How come you never hear the explosion?
Me never really hungry today. No. So nobody did that for bother hell me no. I'm really hungry today. Cause we put on a cherry and me here say and a down then here say then they up a one part up so me I say but the food could eat something.
People, Boom family people. Boom family plays Jamaican shore fishing here, guys. Yeah man. The ultimate YouTube family. Yeah man. The man them day night place, guys. Big up the Boom family people. Them there so guys. Yeah man, them there so guys. And we're there so as a link up, YouTube link up. You don't know. This is a superb link up, guys. Definitely ultimate link up. And with the syrup on the river, guys, doing a little bit of cook up. Natural vibes. I'm gonna throw a few lures in this water, guys, and try to see what I can pick up. If I can't pick up anything, then you know what. So just stay tuned, guys, and we'll just do a little vibes and build a little vibes. Alright? Jamaican shore fishing. We are veggies. Get ready for the soup. See it? Now cocoa in the people. I don't know if you know what cocoa is. Cocoa fingers look boy when we're in a bud bush. We dig them up, dasheen and cocoa, we dig them up and roast them. We know about them though. File them oil in the bush everywhere. Yeah man. Especially in Jamaica, yes, people. Anywhere where water there, you can find all of dasheen and cocoa. There's some pumpkin in the place. Carrot, Irish. You don't know guys. Like that, no? Soup. Changback. Breeding of picking. So I'm gone 6 already, I can't go no more, I stop. Cricket ball lick 6 long time.
Yeah.
I'm gone over a fence. Yeah man, can't bother with it again, brother. Yeah, so the stew pork, guys. Look at that people. I don't think that I have a war, you know. Mine sharp all the pot get touched before you come off for you, know. A while like people me watch them on the video yesterday, you know, I chat them with the dog, you know, and see what I go on, you know. And me just land in a place at the right time for the hog. vibe. Just get some crayfish.
I'm scared. Where with us? Carry them back home. Carry them back home. Let them go back. Best thing that.
I'm on the Boom family there, you know, people.
people.
Yeah, man.
You know?
Yeah, man.
The family guys.
Yeah, man.
Coco, Lechik, Wally, Rasta, you know, I'm holy pork. No, you know, you pork.
What is it? In blue? He's still a contact, same way.
You are not like it with you.
Yeah, guys, big up the Boom family, guys. Make sure you go over, like, share, and subscribe to them channel, guys, and give them a big support. You don't know, one family is still same way. You don't know, we're there with Vibes, Jamaica Adventures, same way, guys. Jamaica Vibes and Jamaica Adventures. Yeah, man. We're there, so guys.
This is the biggest YouTube I remember electric,
Yes.
Sometimes I have current and lightning. I call it a want to current. I'm the lightning, I say you want electric.
What is that man channel there?
Yeah, look.
Jamaican shore fishing.
Jamaican tour fishing.
Shore, S-U-R-E, shore fishing.
Yeah, release tongue back.
Yeah, man, shore fishing, Boom.
Yes. But you always in a hat.
Yeah, no, I took off the hat today.
Oh,
Actually, I had to put on my good clothes today.
Watch out, boys. You always in a hat, you know.
Sure,
S-U-R-E, yes. Congratulations, G. Remember when they did done in my 30s and 40s, and now I look the other day and I say 63.
And then you have now move.
No, but yo, I'm glad, I'm happy. I see it a step up, brother. And I'm going to go and put on some awesome contents, brother. I love it. No, I don't lie. I'm going to comment for a whole long video then.
Hey, bro. I'm building that up.
Where's that?
Boy, I say soup.
Wait, Soupy!
More than
Yo, sharp man.
And if you don't come with plate,
Sharp man.
if you don't come with bowl, you don't get the $100.
No, sir, you can't do that, sharp man. You can't give away $100.
I best see you yourself.
Sharp man.
What am I rich? What am I rich get ball? No. What am I rich get ball?
I build that up. $100.
Sharp man.
No ball, no there.
A joke you make. Sharp man, so one package tree there, so.
That price is just it, right?
Yeah, man.
That means this that they served before.
But Judge,
I don't know.
Judge, but he said no ball, no there, but see one package tree over there, so you can get 2 ball quick. Fast. Look at he look round fast, you know.
How do you guys? Oh, dengue for you.
Dengue, why?
You catch basket?
If I catch him right now, master, I'm free him.
But Junior,
It's hard to kill him one time, you know, vibe.
but Junior, you know what?
I'm free him and then me kill him again, you know.
You know what's good for the dengue though? You know what's good for the dengue? Papaya leaf. You boil the papaya leaf and drink it. The papaya leaf bring up back the blood platelets quick, you know. May they get you already, man. Yeah, and turmeric, yes. Brings up your blood platelet. Yeah. It tastes bad? Man! And they call, what? When me get dengue to backside, when me drink the papaya leaf like 10 dopey one get about me and run. I was not even Cersei. DeAndre, oh yeah, try find me DeAndre.
Give me Papa leave it.
Me say DeAndre, me say I wickedest thing ever. Not even Cersei. Taste so bitter. It's a papaya leaf. If you want to get something bitter, people try papaya leaf. Not the aloe vera bitter so.
But there's anything, any medicine, no medicine not supposed to taste good.
It tough, man.
On the earth, face that earth, taste bad like the papaya.
No, sir. It's terrible, man. George, I want wicked sitting.
Peel me sink Bible.
Yeah.
Peel me sink Bible. Yes.
You can't give Papa leave.
You see, Papa?
Man. Junior, almost. Yo, me say, it make you feel like you want to vomit 10 times more, man. I know I'm terrible sitting, man, but it bitter bad, man. So, but it helps brings up back your blood platelets when you have dengue. Fast. So with dengue now, you have to test your blood test for the whole entire week.
Some people, you see it.
Yeah, man.
They tell you, man, these channels are so edified. They tell you, man,
Hey, guys.
you do, every time you watch a video, you can learn something.
Definitely, guys.
You can learn something
Yeah, man.
from these videos, people. So it's not just entertainment, but educate.
Definitely, guys. And then the natural resources that we have is what we have to definitely use.
Right.
Like the papaya leaves and guinea hen and all these things that's around us. We just don't depend on the pharmacy. We just go to the bush and find something to, that's what's up.
And that's how blessed Jamaica is.
Yeah, man.
The herbs are all around us.
All over.
Find the right one for the right purpose.
If you look right here, right now, you probably find 2 or 3 guinea hen grow.
Yes, that's the goal.
Yeah.
Alright, guys, stay tuned.
Yeah, guys. So, Shark Man make a soup today, guys. You guys say you put in food tonight. We have lobsters on the
Shark
grill.
man, look at me mix up the two.
Right, guys.
If you look at me mix
So,
up the two.
so lifestyle, I go just turn up here and cook it.
Turned up. Junior there, so I cook up a whole thick pot people, Yeah, man.
Great lifestyle, yeah, people.
Yes, guys. That's what's up. Getting some lobsters. Seafood, guys. Seafood kick up. And guys, want you see Mr. Maurice, him my sponsor to this event.
Yes, man.
And big him up on the channel still, guys. And him sponsor this whole entire event, guys. If it wasn't for them, it wouldn't be happening, guys. Yeah, man. We're out here, guys. That's what's up. So this is what's up, guys.
That no tell them no like you for that. But you are 6:30 and I want drop by no how you like the way that. Yeah, you are fine. You are 3 months and wine out and you don't say you. But you are wine out and then come up back just fine up your body and come.
Hey.
Vibes, come here. Come make a shot.
Jamaica sure fishing.
My dad drinks like crayfish soup.
No vibes, that don't look right.
No, my dad drinks like crayfish
No
soup. I
vibes,
want jump out.
it chill all the way up to Ears Temple. John, never find out. Because you see footprint them, John. Straight up a Ears Temple, people. Never.
So what are
Online neck.
crayfish guy that you use?
No, she will not.
Lord have mercy. Look at boom, look at. Boom, yeah, look for the footprint, boom.
Jesus Christ!
Yeah, look at.
That's why when we come to fishing, I want to give me a tell me, boy.
No, you jump out of the pot.
No, but guys, how we go up in the ears?
So I flick out.
Hold on, no.
I seen flicking up.
Let me show you next evidence again. Turn it, beard. Jesus!
Look at my God! Look at! So he did, he's just my beard. And I did.
Hold on, people. Hold on.
Shabel, make sure you record this, Shabel. Because, Shabel, why you look for a vibe? I see the people in them up in chest. And straight on Ears Temple with the crayfish.
That fish they get wet. Tell the people them when them things say. That fish they get wet. That fish they get wet.
How?
That fish they get wet.
Vibes hear him. Vibes hear him.
Wife not the kitchen I cook just like this. So him a cook soup with crayfish. When the fish jump out, oh my God, wife not give the fish a
The water it hot. The crayfish flick up. This is what they gonna say stick up. And the crayfish easy. And the crayfish jump on me neck and go squeezy. When the crayfish really might be tough, it's hot man. You have to say, yo, boom down. You better one neck and you love this side.
There, people.
You know we eat this up and take our company. Yes, our base, you see it. As a scale, take out them in.
Yeah, man.
Where you been hanging up here?
Can't do the front back.
Oh, sorry.
Me place this in a man. Yes, man. Yeah, man, you know how long me want to come do this? You know how long me want to come do this? I tell you. You know how long me want to come do this? You know it's mad. You Yes, man. I tell you. So long me watch Junior and Sharp, man, I do this a lot.
Sorry, so you don't get one day up on the riverside to do it right. When the water to the fire.
You jump asleep on the road.
Hold on, you may take it a bit more, I tell you better. This one I'm a bit asleep today. You know this all the while, I'm not talking, not sleep after I don't eat, but so one time I'm asleep. I tell you, man.
Yes, guys, hear from Mr. Maurice himself.
Joyful day, man.
I enjoy himself,
I
guys.
pray for this day, man. I tell you. I'm
That's what's up.
enjoy it.
Some nice two fresh pork, guys, some wild hog. I'm gonna share out. See it? I hit that, guys. I do it. Jamaican shore fishing. Some more I enjoy him all that, guys. And I've
no lie, man. I enjoy it. I tell you.
That's what's up, guys. Yeah. So,
Make that studio.
yeah, we have to go to the studio. It's terrible, man. About people, we have to go to the studio. It's terrible.
Big up Jam Houston. Yeah, man. Sure, me.
Big up yourself, guys.
Yeah, man.
We're out here.
We are.
Yes, guys, we're out here same way.
One
family
people, one family.
Yeah. In a circle, guys.
One adventure. Jamaican adventure. Remember, we are
One coming up.
one
The
thing.
people and the gun. So me I then look.
Please.
Alright.
Alright, outside. Yes, guys. So this is courtesy of George from Jam Houston. He's doing a 50k subscriber thing for Junior. He has reached 50k, so he's bringing Junior some equipment and gears for his channel, guys. So big up to George from Jam Houston, supporting our Jamaican channels. Yeah, man, full force. Gloves, diving gears, and all of that for Junior lifestyle. You see me? Outside, guys. This is how we do it. Unity is strength. Jamaican shore fishing. We are out here.
Nothing like that. Me I do this because I feel love from my heart. You understand? I feel know that this is when my channel went down. Junior was one of the main person that would be able to do this, right? And I decided to do this and show the people this is the least I can do towards Junior lifestyle and fishing cool, right? So people more or less to come and we're not seeing it, right? Alright.
General, I think about the biggest fish them start to see. Yeah, man. Wow, that yard, man. Yeah, man. That's like, you know? That is like, yeah, the fin.
Let the people
Everything fit, wow. Nothing like that.
See me fin there? Me I go catch it in a line.
Oh, never lie.
Okay.
That is it. That.
Yeah, man. 50k subscribers, guys.
Junior lifestyle appreciate 50k subscribers. Yeah?
Yeah, man.
See there?
Yeah, man.
See there? Look, sponsored by Jam Houston Adventures.
That is it.
Yeah, man. That's what's up, guys. 50k subscribers, guys. That's what's up. That's how we do it. See me?
I don't want to get emotional.
And if you cry, we go put it up on camera. You cry.
I don't want to get emotional, but you know, I straight from my heart. You understand? It's just one love, peace, and unity. You understand me? You understand? I'm a wish this to all YouTubers, not just, you know, can you realize it was sometimes you find things that I get and all of something. Now, who can do it and who are in the we're looking at that. You understand?
No, unity is
One
strength.
of our unity people, see there?
That's how we do.
Yeah, man. So
Yeah.
you have now.
That is true faith.
And that is not
Judge, I want thing me have to say, Judge. Judge, I want thing me have to say. All the people that feel like say other people are competition. Stop it. What me say, brother?
Okay. Alright.
Yeah.
So this one directly is gonna be for Junior. Right? And guys, we have two laugh here again. Alright, so guys,
You what people? So you what happen now?
So the camera
I have a
guys,
little story to
this
share
is live, you know.
before the presentation.
Yeah, man.
So
Rolling.
I guess for all who follow Jam News and Adventure know that you know we go through a disaster one time where the channel got stolen and we go down from a space to the YouTube, right? System. So Junior and I have other YouTubers who are there for me, right? To help me to get back on my feet. And Junior was one of the foundation person who reached out to his subscribers and viewers and begged them to help me to get myself back on my feet. And people, this is just showing gratitude, right? To the team, Junior Lifestyle of Fishing team, that this is, you know, this is the least I can do. This is the least I can do. But I am, you know, I sit down and I think and I say to myself, what can I do outside of the box so everybody can do otherwise for, you know, for YouTubers, right? And I've never seen anybody sponsored like trophy to YouTubers before. The only thing I've seen is that YouTuber, when you reach 100K, the YouTube give you a plaque, right? So I took it upon myself that at this moment, yeah, you can cut that. At this moment, I am about to make a presentation to the Jam Houston. You're going to behave yourself.
Sorry.
Me have you in my head back, you know.
Sorry.
I am about to make a presentation to the Junior Lifestyle of Fishing team, the main active team, right? Because we know so the team big, but the active team, right, which is Junior. First thing, I'm going to deal with you first. I left you for last, right? You see how them line out, people? Look, like a step.
The bigger one there first.
So, me I deal with the little one first, right? And up the line. Alright, so peeps,
The bigger one first.
here I am about to present to Curry Bass, Short Bass, Damian, Billy. He might want to hold for name people, so you know, I try to get one. I was trying to get one with the curry color, but this is the closest one I get to the curry color. So I am about to make a presentation to you, Short Bass. Yeah, man.
Shaman,
Right?
you know, so you can't look in a hole now. You can't look in a hole now. You in a hole.
Underwater, like I said. And I don't know what size gloves you wear. I don't know. This might look like.
Maybe size.
Stretch to fit.
Size feet.
No,
size hand. Size hand.
Stretch to fit. So
Size hand, maybe.
here's a diving glove, sir. Yeah, that's yours. And I am no walk up there, sir.
Oh, sorry.
That I last, right?
Okay.
You know, come cross,
Sorry.
Okay, guys, I am about to make a presentation to DNG,
Thank you.
right?
Anami.
I better slap you with this. DNG.
Yes, sir.
All right. Diving gloves.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir. And
that's all for you.
yeah, that's you can go on now, you know. Chuck off. No. We're not driving back the foot. Junior, hold him there in the short back up there so I drive back. People, I've seen DNG diving a while or something. I don't know.
One shot white one. One shot white one, George. Me see.
I pick the missing.
I want picnic fin. I want snorkel fin.
I want to have. Where you have your girlfriend?
I would pick the elephant hala for that.
No, I do not give me.
But brother,
Guys,
Shaman, I want white one. Me see it. I want white one. Yes.
Junior Lifestyle of Fishing channel is a big channel. The platform broad. I see all them platform broad and long. I see him want to see him diving or something.
Blood
broad
clean.
and long, people.
DeAndre,
You understand?
a turbo, thank you, no.
And I tell you what, don't feel that this is
But DeAndre, when you go some press gas on him now, and turn on turbo on him and left him round the back in the dark, you know.
So, I did not leave me not going to say him better than the rest, you know. But sometimes they want to say he left the best for last, see? But I know the best for last still. Junior.
Oh yes, thank you, sir.
Brethren, me just have packed them up and give. Alright, this is a diving socks, right? You can't wear shoes. You know,
Oi, what make you put on sack? The fisherman smell your foot.
Yeah, it's cheesy.
yeah. And
thank you very much.
You're going to behave yourself. Oh, sorry. I just say little people always give up. Alright, so
this is the socks to go in the field.
Right.
Oh. That means you don't have no can.
Different fan for them gloves still, you know.
Yeah, because I'm a different fan in the code.
Yeah, diving gloves, right?
Yeah. Thank you very much, sir.
And
no man. Me no want no man in my face, brother.
Yo, and your diving lights.
Thank you very much.
Alright. And it's not donate, you know. I know you need some rubber for your spear gun.
Sir.
And here's the rubber. Right?
You want to take it for me?
You want me to give me?
One crossway back.
No.
What I mean, I can't back with me.
No violence. No violence.
You know, it's take care of your back for who you want, right?
Yeah, man, it's not back with me.
Alright.
Yeah, guys, so we here, the
So,
Junior's getting
Junior,
the award for his
I am
50k
proud to
from
present
Jam
you,
Houston.
Right?
You don't know us YouTube families already. Just stick together close. Big up yourself, Das. We're here. Thank you for watching, guys.
You know,
Please like, share, and
I
subscribe.
wish I could do better, but you know, it's just a token from Jam Houston Adventures. And I tell you what, I'm not looking no milestone. I'm not looking no big up or anything like that. This is from my heart. You understand? You know, I can open my heart and show them, but I open it and show them and say, listen, this is real. It's because this man, you understand? And any one of my YouTubers here, when they reach a milestone, you know, and if God grant me the power and the ability to do this and present it to Jam Vibes Adventure, Jamaica Shore Fishing Adventure, and all the YouTubers here, Jamaica Adventure, and Juju people. We just released. He just released a new channel, right on spot here. So this is our history making right here. Juju Fishing Adventures, right? I am just doing this because you know this is what I want to do, right? I choose to do. All right. We have the best right now, guys. The best for last right now. And you see, because he give a whole lot of trouble, I'm going to give him for one first. People, I want you to have a look. And if you come close, you will see the name right there. Right?
That's what's up, guys.
Damian Corribas. 50k subscribers. People 50k, they already passed their 50k by a good while, but this is the time I get. When they reach a 50k, I went into the factory and I have these custom built, right? As you can see, it is branded. And this is something that they can keep in their house for the rest of their life, right?
So
this is what I decided to do.
A fish and have a scale, though?
No, the fish and half a scale. I want to keep on your dresser.
Yes, goldfish.
Right? So, on behalf of Sharon from Jam Houston Adventures, I present this trophy to you, Damian Corribas. This is from Sharon. Right? From Sharon. Sharon. Do the Sharon dance. Alright. Okay. Alright.
Yeah, me again. Oh, sorry.
Next year.
Okay.
When you reach 100k. Alright, guys. So again,
Live,
from Sharon, from the Jam
Big
Houston
up
Adventures
Ramblin' Rose,
family,
big up yourself.
Right?
Thank you for
And
joining.
if you can see clearly, the name is there. We
Yeah,
want
man,
to
this is
zoom in,
50k subscribers,
zoom in
guys.
and catch the events, right? And this one is Leighton D&G Brent. Sponsored by
That's
Jam
DNG
Houston
right there, guys.
Adventures.
Short man.
Where's
Damien.
the shot, man?
They get me 50k subscribers.
Thank you, sir.
I'm honored to present you
Sharon.
on behalf of Sharon.
Sharon,
right?
good.
Yes.
But you can dance like shot, man.
Shaman do Sharon dance better than you. Alright, guys. The moment that everybody is waiting for, right?
Yes,
The
guys.
moment that everybody is waiting for. The lifestyle boss.
Yes.
I'm going to say this from the heart, right? Junior, you never know this was coming. You know something was coming, but you never know.
Come on, but me know.
But me leave you in a suspense, man. Me know say that eating out from and say, what George have in store, Bridget? But people,
Hold on,
this
hold
one,
on.
yeah.
Sharon, dance before you get.
Which
No, no, no.
Hey, I used that dance, yeah,
I
but don't
used
say you
that
must
You stand and no dance.
You only fish.
You stand and dance.
Oh, you have to go scatter
The
teeth.
last time.
You have to go scatter teeth.
Hey,
Scatter teeth don't
The
come.
last time when you see me use one rod wheel, what happened? Okay, so
And then D&G have to jump on the fish. And D&G have to jump on the fish last time.
I feel the Bridget. You want to up me, spend the time.
You hear me say?
Yeah.
Yeah, go. Dad never cut you when you not get for your one. And Dad never cut me when me I get for one. Get you na for one.
See right here.
Get you na for one.
Dry fish.
Yeah, man.
Dry fish.
Just reel up and pull. Reel up and pull.
Hold it.
Yes.
Yes.
Hey, these guys are you guys, we had curry chicken, roast lobsters, all kinds of stuff on the menu, guys.
Yeah, so this is it. Yeah.
Yes, Mr. Let me
And it's all about 50K. They already passed that, long past that. So, but you know,
Yep,
like
they're sitting at
60 how much
63K.
60 odd.
63K.
people. But
to
this
be
is the
exact.
moment that I get the chance that I get to, and I want to reveal this. That we were planning to present these trophies next year when I have more time. You understand? But Sharon was planning to come to Jamaica, and she was gonna be a part
Yeah,
of
man,
the
come in and look
surprise.
fish and
She was gonna be a part of the surprise. She was gonna be in the car, and when everybody here, she just come out and then everybody see her, right?
Yeah,
Because
we're
I know
gonna
you
get
all
some
love
weather here
Sharon,
too,
right?
guys.
But
Unfortunately,
Let me see that channel.
no, she don't. Spirit, our spirit there here. Understand? Our spirit there, so right there, so not the midst. Because she's sorry that she's not going. She won't be able to make it. But unfortunately, she's not gonna make it next year. So here up now. She asked me, George, just do the honors for me. So make the presentation with those that she sponsored. And now I am going to present this to Junior. Lifestyle official bar.
That's what's up, Junior.
Yeah, man.
Congrats.
Congrats,
bro. Big up.
I remember the first video you put out.
Junior Lifestyle of Fishing, guys. Check him out. Go over to his channel.
Your channel and supporting the channel. And you reach out to me at the time when I need you most as a friend, and rest of my YouTubers who reach out to me when my channel was stolen and I have to start from scratch again. You did a great deal, and I know they did a great deal also, like Jamaica shore fishing, Jamaica Vibes Adventure, and some other YouTubers, and I can't do this. Bridget, I can't do this. You understand? So, Bridget,
really appreciate
yeah, man. I sit down and think about it. What I can do for these guys that can, they can have for their life. It's a life.
No, man,
It's a lifetime thing.
It's a lot of fun.
Judge,
But you're
Congrats.
something you want, Craig.
I said, yo, Junior, it's a lot of hard work put in, guys.
Tears. I just joy.
No, but I'm just saying, it's a lot of hard work, and I've watched every video.
You up now? Brother?
Yeah, man, not down with that. But go with him to take.
One look, one heart. Oh, you hold on now.
Yo, guys, no snow, but we got the river. Look at this.
Somebody else who want to.
Look how clear that water is, guys.
Hold on, I'm going to call him. Please.
If you want to take a swim, take a swim right down the river, guys. But we're just here, just chilling out. A lot of YouTube channels here, guys. Yeah, Jamaican shore fishing, guys. That's it. We come to an end of today's video. We're here with Jamaica Vibes, Junior Lifestyle Adventures, Jam Houston, Jamaica Adventures, and Boom Family, and the rest of the crew, guys. So this is what's up, guys. That's it. We have had a great day. Stay tuned for the next upcoming adventure. We're going out tomorrow, guys, to see if we can pick up something on the permit fishing tomorrow. Stay tuned for that adventure. But we outside, guys, just doing a little link up, get together, YouTube link up, and you don't know, outside. Bless up yourself.